Hello, I'm Thinev. Shall we talk about a bird that you're likely to find in the northern part of Sri Lanka, but even that is rare? The Indian spot-billed duck. The Indian spot-billed duck is a large dabbling duck. The name is derived from the red spot at the base of the bill that is found in the mainland Indian population. It is a non-migratory breeding duck throughout freshwater wetlands in the Indian subcontinent. A large greyish-brown duck with diagnostic yellow-tipped black bill and a red spot at the base of the bill. In flight, note the green panel in the wing that is bordered in white. Often seen in small groups dabbling or tipping up in shallow water or walking on marshy land at the edge of freshwater or in cultivated fields. Usually not seen associating with other species, similar to eastern spot-billed duck, but note green wing panel, lack of distinct dark moustache. Their calls are like locally named Thith, Hota, Seruwa. They have not seen the Indian spot-billed duck. As mentioned, you can only see this duck in the northern peninsula and in some parts of northwestern region. One such place you could possibly see them is BILLED National Park. BILLED National Park is the largest national park in Sri Lanka. It is famous for leopard sightings.